Okay guys, today we're going to install the LARQ under sink filter. A pretty basic kit. We just want to be able to drink water straight from our faucet. And here in Texas we have pretty hard water, so we're going to install this guy and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. That way if you get yourself one, you'll know how easy it is to install and you'll have a video. Of course, the first step, we disconnected the main water supply coming in. Typically somewhere under the sink you have a knob where you can turn the water supply coming in. So we got the hot water turn off right there and cold water turn off right there, so you don't get any water coming out of your supply lines. Okay, we're going to connect the line that's provided by LARQ to our cold water supply line. All right, let's do that. And if you need an adapter, you got to go get a 3/8 inch to 1/2 inch adapter. All right, you can get these at Home Depot or wherever. So that's what it looks like. We've got our main cold water supply hose connected with this adapter from 1/2 inch to 3/8 inch to the end hose that has this black plastic end. It's going to go on the water in port right here on this side, okay? And then the other braided hose that they provide is going to connect to your cold faucet hose. Just connect it right there, real simple. And then this end here with the gray plastic end is going to pop in right here where it says water out. So pretty simple, straightforward. I'm going to put them together, show you how it looks. So this is the main cap here where, again, the water in hose has the black end on it, as you can see right here. And the water out that goes straight up to the water faucet is going to have this end, right? And it's gray. Really easy to read and understand. You can remove these by pushing this gray ring right here if you need to. Let's go to the next step. Okay, next step is taking the actual filter, removing the blue cap, and then just sliding it into the top here, just like this. There you go, it snaps in. It's basically done, but they do have a wall mounting bracket here if you want to mount it to the wall. All right, so right underneath the sink cabinet, just install the bracket. This is the pin you're going to use to run right through here, as well as the filter hole right there. And you just line up the filter to those holes right here, and then you take this pin right here and run it through everything, the filter, everything like that, as you can see, and that holds it in place. Just turn it to lock it in. Yeah, right there. And then that locks it in, and your filter is installed to the wall, and that's it, you guys. We're gonna turn on the cold water. All right, sounds good. Going through the filter, everything's good. No leaks here. No leaks.
Taste it.
That's pretty much it, guys. The install is complete. It took me just a few minutes, and that's with recording. Anybody can do it. Now the only thing left to do, like my wife said, is just test it. We're going to do a taste test. This is the whole reason we got it. Let's turn on the cold water. Yeah, see, now it's just kind of going through the filter. All right, so my wife already put tap water in a cup so we can compare it to the new filtered water.
Tap water first?
Tap water is there. So she's trying the tap water. We just don't like tap water.
Oh yeah, you can taste the difference. Yeah.
Oh, because you went back. Yeah. So that's the filtered water, and that's the tap water. All right, let me do it. Okay, now it's my turn to try the tap water first. Yeah, that's why I don't drink tap water. Okay, you taste all the minerals and all the stuff that comes off of the piping or whatever our water comes through in our city. All right, now let's try the water that's going through the new LARQ filter. Yeah, right. Okay, right away you could taste 100% that all of that, whatever the aftertaste is, the buildup stuff is gone. Great little filter system. It can make your sink water drinkable. So as you guys saw, it's real easy to install, and right now they have a great deal going on that LARQ kit. And with this video, you don't need to hire anyone. You can install it yourself. And let me know, do you guys already have an under sink water filter system, or do you plan on getting one? And if you do, will you get this one?